We are here at Minnesota Valley Park. It is a wetland preserve. This is a 7.1 mile loop. It is very hot today. It is like, I don't know what it is. It's like 85 degrees. It's extremely humid. But I needed to get out here and do this. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And it is gorgeous. A little warm, but beautiful other than that. Between two giants. I just went through a little cul-de-sac, and there wasn't any houses. It was just a cul-de-sac in the middle of nowhere. It was kind of weird, but there was like a city vehicle, like a city utility vehicle there. And it looked like the guy was just sleeping in the car. The car was just running. I think he was just sleeping in there. He had sunglasses on and his head was hung down. And the car's just running. Very interesting. I guess he probably gets paid by the hour. This is interesting. Just a tree on the side of the trail here. Oh, this looks like strawberry shortcake stuff. And if a little kid plays around here, if someone's just playing a joke. Okay, so the trail that I've been walking goes along marshland, which is next to this river, the Minnesota River. And now I turned back and I'm heading back towards the car, but now I'm on the other side of the marsh next to the river. Very nice. The river looks very low, which I'm surprised because at least I know in northern Minnesota they've gotten more than enough rain. And a lot of the lakes are overflowing, and there's lots of flood conditions. But yeah, the river, as you can see from the other side, looks like it's a few feet low, like 5-6 feet. Well, this side seems to be a little less covered. It's a little hotter in the sun. So I would like to say that along this hike, I've seen a lot of these really big old growth trees. It's really nice to see those. You don't see them as much anymore. But these, look at these things, you know, massive. This is quite interesting. Out here in the middle of the woods, a little fountain. What? Anyone care to explain this one? See a few cranes out there, that's nice. Whole family of ducks. I think they put platforms out there. I'm sure they're for the birds to have safe places to nest or just hang out. It's a National Wildlife Refuge. I'm pretty sure it's for bird migration. But we are ending. Oh, I think I see a turtle up there on the sidewalk. We are ending our trail here. This is the very end. Let's see what it says. 7.15 miles. Oh, 7.2 by the time I get to the parking lot. Yeah, it was kind of a nice one. There was a lot of flies because of the swamp. But other than that, it was really nice. A lot of really big trees. A lot of wildflowers, black-eyed Susans, crown visage, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it was a pretty nice hike. Here we go. Let's check out this turtle. Hey there, little guy. Looks like he's got a couple of leeches on him. Hey, buddy. All right, well, that does it for our hike.